Welcome to Sonic Sciences, where we explore the quantum and metaphysical overtones of bodywork. Discover the interconnectedness of mind, body, and energy fields, and how Remedial massage aligns with these holistic principles. On our exploration today, we explore the fascinating world of science and wellness. Let's look into the world of Remedial massage. What is it and how does it differ from other forms of massage? Let's find out. While often mistaken for deep tissue massage, remedial massage is a more targeted treatment aimed at alleviating pain and aiding recovery from injury. Therapists specializing in this modality undergo extensive training to deeply understand the body's anatomy and the tissues they are treating. Unlike deep tissue techniques, which is typically a full body treatment, this focuses on specific areas that require rehabilitation. The process begins with a thorough review of the patient's muscles, ligaments, tendons, and posture. Once the therapist identifies the issues causing pain or injury, they perform a targeted massage on the affected area. The pressure applied can vary significantly, tailored specifically to address the patient's unique needs. The ongoing assessment helps ensure the best possible chance of recovery by fine-tuning the approach based on the patient's improvements or any new issues that arise. Whether you're recovering from an injury or dealing with chronic pain, massage could be a crucial part of your treatment plan, offering targeted, expert care designed to help you heal. Thanks for joining us on Sonic Sciences. If you found this episode helpful, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more insights into the worlds of science and wellness. Until next time, take care of your health and definitely get yourself a massage. And as always, I encourage you to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe, synthesize, and synchronize with total vibrational vitality.